Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here today with the beautiful Kimberly. We just wrapped up this beautiful look using all Maven Beauty. My inspiration for this look today was actually Kimberly's bangs. She walked in and I was like, we have to do a vintage look, a pin-up-y kind of vibe. So we went ahead and did a smoky cut liner using all shadows. And we tried 3 different lip colors, although Maven Beauty has so many colors to choose from, but I chose my top 3 for this type of look, which you guys will see in the video. But this is the one we decided on and I love it. It feels kind of like vintagey, yet still meets today's
modern.
Glam.
Yeah.
You know? If you guys want to learn how to do this look, keep watching. Alright, the first step I'm going to be doing on Kimberly is I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer to have something to grab onto. And so the pigment really pays off. I'm going to set her eyes with a little bit of setting powder just to make sure we have no creases and the shadow goes on smoother. Our first step is going to be Maven Beauty's Medium Blend Shadow Palette. And I'm going to be using this really light taupey brown. It's like a light brown. And I'm just going to place this all over her eyelids. I'm using a very fluffy brush so it's really even to blend out and smooth. I really love how smooth the pigment to these shadows are. And I'm only going to be using one color on the eyelids because I want the focus to be on the dramatic liner that we are about to do. Next, we're using Maven Beauty's Define palette, and this is the palette I'm going to be using to smoke out her eyes and give that dramatic smoky liner effect. I'm starting with this chocolatey color, using a small detailing brush. I'm going to be outlining her lash line with this chocolatey shade because I want this to be very sharp yet very diffuse. Next step, I am exchanging the brush to a little bit of a fluffier one and using the same shade. I'm gonna get a little messy, but it's okay. So what I'm gonna start to do is create the cat liner with shadow, and then what I'm gonna do is clean it up and it's gonna give us a more diffused look. Going back in with my tighter brush, I'm gonna go in with this really dark black, and I'm only gonna apply this color on the outer edges. So before I start cleaning up, I'm going to apply some mascara. In case I get some on the lower lash, then I could just clean it all together. So I've done Kimberly's complexion off camera, and now I'm just gonna do a few finishing touches. I'm gonna go in with Maven Beauty Dripped Out Highlighter, and I'm gonna do a little highlight on the tip of her nose with a really small brush like this. I'm just gonna add it to the tip. Next, I'm gonna get a fluffy brush. I'm gonna get rid of a little bit of the product on the back of my hand. I'm gonna do a little bit of highlight just on the top of her cheekbones. I'm really obsessed with this highlight right now. It's my favorite one. It adds such a beautiful glow. And I actually love using this all over the body. So I like to do it on the collarbones, especially for red carpets. It really makes everything glow. We're gonna be starting with Wavy, and this is a really beautiful fuchsia pink. So I'm gonna use the tip of the brush as a lip liner. My next pick was the color Baja, and this is a bright red orangey that I love. I love a classic red, and this color is giving me life, so I wanted to try it. So again, using a lip brush, that's really fine. I'm gonna use it as a lip liner first. For my other choice, I've decided to do a lip combo between Notorious and Bat. And these are basically both two brown shades. One's really dark, one's really light. So I'm gonna use the dark one on the outer corners and a light one in the center. I'm gonna use the color Bat, which is a lighter brown, and I'm just gonna go right in the center. And smooth it over the darker shade that we just used. Alright guys, this is the final look using all Maven Beauty products. Let me know which was your favorite lip color. Was it 1, was it 2, or was it my favorite, number 3? If you guys like this video, please thumbs it up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow us on our Instagram right here. And I'll see you guys next time.